Birds can fly. Listen, sing, and act. Birds can fly up in the sky, and I can fly too. Frogs can jump very, very high, and I can jump too. Ducks can swim deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dogs can walk, dogs can walk on the ground, and I can walk too. Horse can run in the forest, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop on the grasses, and I can hop too. Look, listen, repeat, and enact. Fly, jump, swim, walk, run, hop. Thank you, student.